How to remove someone from Snapchat group. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat. Your camera will open up. Now navigate to the conversation tab. For that, click on the option of friends. Once you're over here, you're gonna find all the conversation over here. Now open the group chat from where you wanna remove the person. At the top, you're gonna find the group name. Click on it. With that, you'll be able to find the group members over here. Head towards the Snapchat user that you want to remove from the group. Press and hold on it. Then click on the option Remove from Group. Click on Remove. With that, the person will be removed. Do the same for other members as well. Press and hold on it and select the option of Remove from Group. Click on Remove. This is how you can remove someone from Snapchat group. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.